Yeah, you know, like, I'm fucking wasted and shit. Hey, viewers! Yeah, so, I'm here at Rochester, my hometown here, what is this, the underground fucking subway, I guess? But it's awesome. I am fucking drunk off of tequila, and I hear pigeons. Let's just say that, and that's freaking me out. But I believe in zombies, so that way is not an option. It's too dark. We need a flashlight that lights this whole shit up like a fucking candy cane. Alright, Slowberg, gotta represent. Swillberg. So, thank you, Carmichael, for being my cameraman. This is your reporter, Izzy Fizzy 1. Alright, share channel, so rock it. Love you guys. Later.
There's so much.
Man.
You can't you don't have enough time take it all in. You have to go so incredibly slow.
I'm not.
Like that, it's so cool. Isn't it like on you though?
Oh yeah, it's totally on me. This is so cool.
Yeah.
Jeez. What is that? It's like some Mutant Ninja Turtles can live in there.
Dude, actually, Mutant Ninja Turtles do live in there, dude.
Really? Oh, here. Someone's been texting me, and I've just been like lost in my own world. I don't want some mutant thing coming at me. Is that a house?
Where?
Is that a house underneath the fucking subway station?
It's
like a...
It's just like a little room, yeah. Yeah, I should show you the press room when those people are done over there.
A classroom?
The press room.
Oh, press room. I'm like a classroom?
No, it's way bigger than a classroom.
Oh my goodness. This is fucking uber sick. Uber sick. I wish I brought my markers. I would have still been tagging shit. Wow.
It's all muddy.
Wow. Alright. It's getting dark. I'm not going to be able to record anything. So I'll see you at the end of the light, guys. I need to find some rockin' music to put for this video. Look at that. Cause like he told me he had some really sweet places that he knew to take me. Cause like him and his friends like tagged shit like all over the place.
It's like it's
Pretty sick.
Ready? Awesome. My hair's so messed up. I had no idea.
My hair's so messed up too.
Oh, your hair looks nice. Here, check it. So you look fine. My hair is terrible.
I saw a cat, just to let you know.
Huh?
I saw a cat somewhere.
Really?
And it disappeared. I don't know where it went.
Where are those feral cats?
Feral cats?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I want
Yeah.
one. I want one of those cats.
No, you don't. They don't like humans.
I love them.
Holy shit, it's not a bird.
My brave friend. Carmichael, don't get eaten by a vampire.
Yo.
What?
This is someone's sweet spot.
Really?
Yeah, there's like all sorts of clothes and shit.
Probably. We should leave their sleep box alone before they like cut us for invading their housing space. Okay, so I've been walking around and I've been seeing the coolest shit ever. And I'm so happy to be here right now. What? Hold on! I'm vlogging right now! Hold on! Anyways. But yeah, I guess my friend wants me to check something out, so I'm gonna have to check it out. So see you guys into the dark. I'm so fucking... Alright.
Ready, babe?
Into the dark we go, and it's very scary. So, pitch black, guys. Wish me luck.
Might be your last vlog.
Oh my god.
Just joking.
It's a house underneath the subway. It's a fucking house. YouTube viewers, listen to me. It's a fucking house. A house.
It's like some playful shit.
Dude, this is some Hannibal Lecter type shit right here, dude.
Yeah, this one get cut up from organs. Yeah, like.
I'm so scared. This is actually pretty cool.
Alright, I'll meet you in a second.
Okay. Yeah. Leave me alone. Sure. I won't wander off too far. Look at that. The fucking house, dude. It's so cool. They're fixing shit down here, FYI, people. So the sounds you hear are from... Oh my god. I know it's not gonna be captured, but I just saw a ghost. That is so sketchy. I'm so scared. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is so fucking sweet, dude. Zone, I'm so sorry I didn't come with you, but I needed to come here before they closed it with sand. That would have been horrible. And I just left Carmichael alone. I don't know. Dude. Oh my god. I'm here all alone. I'm so scared. Oh my god, what's that noise? I'm so scared! What is that? Alright, on my channel.
Oh, Rico.
Where's the dog?
Yeah. The Rico's unofficially living there. So.
Do you guys mind if I, like, it's cool? Skim over you a little bit? Do you... I have a camcorder running. Do you mind if I like skim across a little bit?
Yo, this is perfect.
Okay.
I'm okay with that, but
Oh no, it's for my YouTube channel. I'm just kind of,
Smile, everybody.
you know.
yeah, what are you gonna label it? Dude, that's gonna cost.
I don't know what I'm gonna label it yet, but it's my first time here, so.
Wait, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm terrible at names.
Yeah. It's red. I'm not clear.
I'm sorry. I recorded everything except for this. I don't know how it ended up going away.
Look at all the light bulbs. Did they actually like take the time to come down here and take the light bulbs out?
Oh my god.
Ah! Oh my god.
That was awesome. You totally secret agent that shit, dude. You could have been in water right now.
Could have. Oh my god. I'm
Survival.
terrified now.
You might want to look down.
This is horrible.
Dude, it was awesome. You're joking?
This is slow motion.
Yeah, yeah.
My friends on YouTube, please don't judge me. I am not a klutz in real life. Not really. I am a klutz. So things like this really do happen. Yeah. Things do happen like this. Ow. Oh. You get a bruise now. Look at that. Check that out.
Total bruising.
Bruising hard. Ow. Ow. Wow, look at that stream over there. You want to know where the homeless men take showers?
Yeah.
Okay. You gotta turn it off though.